Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Walmart Marketplace seller account detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Walmart Marketplace seller account, first, visit the Walmart Marketplace website. Locate and click on the register button to begin the process. Fill in the required information to create your account. This typically includes your business name, email address, and password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Next, log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the seller dashboard. Locate the account settings section on the dashboard. Click on Business Information to complete your store profile. Enter all necessary details, including your business type and tax information. Next, go to the Payment Information section. Provide your bank details for payments and any additional required financial information. After completing these sections, review your entries for accuracy. Now, proceed to the Marketplace Policies tab. Familiarize yourself with Walmart's seller policies and terms of service. Agree to the terms by checking the appropriate box. Once you've completed all required sections, click Submit to send your application for review. Check back frequently for any updates regarding your account status. If approved, you will receive an email confirmation from Walmart. Log into your seller account to start listing products. Follow any additional verification steps as needed by Walmart. Ensure to keep your account information updated to maintain compliance. Now you are ready to begin selling on the Walmart Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.